Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will walk you through the process of installing Python on your Windows machine. So for installation of Python we have to follow several steps. First we have to download Python. So we have to download Python from python.org, which is the official website of Python. From here we have to go to download section, then Windows section. From this we have to download Python 3.12 Windows installer. Once it is got downloaded, we have to open it by double clicking on it simply. Most important thing is before clicking install now, make sure to check that box that says add Python to path. This is crucial because it allows you to run a Python from command prompt. Use admin privileges when installing, we have to click this as well, then install now. Once this installation is completed, we can able to use a Python and start our coding as well. Once installation done, we can verify with several ways. We can see that once it is installed, setup is in progress. Setup was successful. Now we have to close this window. Now we have to verify the installation, whether it is installed or not. Open our command prompt and write version. So it will be the Python version. One other way, the pip version as well. Start. Okay. What is we have one question over here? What is a pip? Right. Pip is a package manager for Python which makes it easy to install libraries and modules. So we have checked a version of pip as well. It's 24.2 and check the Python environment as well. What told ideally Python 3.12. Inbuilt Python ideally where we can code